That was pretty sweet. Oh. Oh, wow.
Oh.
You trying to take a picture of it?
No, I'm filming. I want to get a good stretch across the sky.
Did you get that last one?
No.
You didn't?
No, I just stopped it.
Oh, what the hell, kid? How long you got for video?
Well, I'm taking like, do like 15 seconds.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
Because I want to get like I want it to happen quick.
It's like a minute between each good one.
Yeah.
Like ventilator, man.
There you go, Ooh.
Better.
It's going to happen. Watch.
Lower.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
Almost good, like 10 more seconds if you get a good one. Oh, that's pretty sweet.
Oh my God! Did you see that over there?
Did you see that?
Yes! Yes! Oh my God! Are you seeing over there?
Yeah.
That was so cool. Yes, I was just itching the
Oh
butt.
my God!
Oh, wow. This is badass lightning, kid. Totally missed that.
I never want to stop watching.
Shut the fuck up, kid.
You okay there?
Good to go. Come on, more coolness.
Oh, I missed that one.
I got that one.
Wrong direction.
It's a little baby.
You can see a lot
We're
more
gonna do a nice
from
5-minute
the
video.
water. Oh.
Ooh, yeah, that one was badass.
Did you get that one?
Yeah, I did. Chill,
I want to
baby.
go out front of our apartment and look too. I wonder what it's like out there.
Take your shoes off.
I'm going to.
You want a 5-minute one?
Yeah.
Oh God. They're so little. They're so little baby.
My trials and tribulation. Ooh. Want one more good one. That's all I want. Come on, give me something. Show me potato salad. I don't know, some